Sup riders, this is Kevin with Two Wheels Down. Got a new bike reveal. This one's a 2018 Aprilia RSV4 RR. You're gonna want to take a closer look at this one. Check it out. That sounds way too good, and we've got neighbors, all right?
Oh, my bad, man. Sorry.
Yeah.
You want to take it for a spin?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Woo! Okay, the thing about the neighbors, that was a joke, okay? We love our neighbors, especially Combs Coffee. What is up, riders? This is Kevin with Two Wheels Down. I'm bringing you another bike reveal. This is the 2018 Aprilia RSV4 RR. I am so stoked to be riding this bike and being able to share this bike with you all. It's incredible. It is the first RSV4 that I've had the pleasure of riding. One of the fastest super sports that I've had the pleasure of riding. The configurability on this bike is I would probably say, second to none. You know, you can kind of see, if you can, the dash here, and the features that you expect on the bike, like traction control, ABS, wheelie control, launch control, and most of those things, all those things actually have levels of sensitivity that you can put to your liking. But not just that, just like Yamaha, Aprilia's got the ability to configure your tuning on the fly as well. So if you're on the track, that's going to be something you're going to be wanting to play with, depending on the current track conditions, weather, things like that, which is really nice to have. So, and then I think the most important and coolest feature is going to be the cruise control. Cruise control on a super sport? Yes. Cruise control on a super sport. To activate cruise control, you need to be at least in third gear. There's probably a minimum speed to it, maybe 30 miles an hour or so. And then there's an AWC cruise button on the left here. If I hold this in, you're going to see the button flash up here. You'll see it kind of flashing there too. And all you just do is press it once and you're going. This is, I mean, I know a lot of bikes have this, but more often than not, it'll be on like cruisers, right? Or touring bikes. To have this on a super sport, you probably wouldn't use it on the track, but if you're going to take any sort of long distances or get on a highway or long distance roads where you kind of want to sit up a little bit every now and then, and maybe flex your back a bit. It's a nice to have, or shake out your wrist, if you know what I'm talking about. Super nice to have. This bike specifically, it's the 2018 model, as mentioned. It's got a bunch of upgrades on it. It's got my favorite thing, the SC Project exhaust. Let's hear that. Woo! That sounds good. It's got the CPM rear sets, which is nice. It's got aftermarket levers. It's got the Puig winglets. It's got a custom tuning on it by AF1 Racing in Austin, so shout out to them. Power band, let's talk about that. Power band on this bike, full spectrum. So what's really nice about that is, one, you don't get that like jerky low end. Here, let me. First gear, 37 miles an hour, probably half throttle. It's very distributed power throughout every single gear on this bike, and I love that personally, just because you're not going to get too much on the low end, you're not going to get it all on the high end, you're going to get it distributed throughout the entire power band. One of the fastest super sports in the market. If you're thinking about it, or if you are interested in it, give one a test ride, give it a shot. If you have a buddy who has one, see if you can ride it, because trust me, you're going to love it. Alright everybody, this about wraps up the video. We're going to close here in a second, but do me a favor, let me know what you think of Aprilia in the comments, or specifically Aprilia RSV4 RR. I know a lot of people are kind of like headstrong on their makes, whether they're Yamaha guys or gals or Ducati or Honda, but I'm really curious, what do y'all think about Aprilia? I love this. This is the first RSV4 that I've ridden, and hopefully you'll love it too. Woo! All right, Eker, your turn, man. Enjoy. Hi man, what'd you think?
Yeah, this thing is fast, you know. Overall, amazing quality. You know, it's a rocket ship of a bike. It's a track bike with lights and mirrors. It's phenomenal. And did we mention has cruise control? You know, what can I say?
I agree, man. It's been my favorite bike so far. Honestly, more power than anybody should ever need, but that's exactly what you're looking for. So appreciate you watching this video. Make sure to follow our socials online. This has been Kevin.
And this is Eker
With Two Wheels Down. Peace.
See you guys.